Rights of Women is a unique frontline women's legal rights charity working across England and Wales. Our staff team of 15 women lawyers and 55 on our volunteer team advise over 3,500 women every single year. Our focus is women who are experiencing or at risk of violence against women and girls. All women should be entitled to full protection through the law. However, the reality is that's not what happens. The systems that are there to protect them often fail to do so. Countless women that we speak to have faced hostility and suspicion when they sought protection and safety. Many of them are disbelieved, they are turned away, they can find it very difficult to access any help at all, they can be given incorrect advice. And our charity exists to provide women with advice to escape from those situations.
Most of the women that call our advice lines can't afford a lawyer. I don't think people realise how bewildering the law and the courts can be until they are involved in a legal dispute. And that's amplified for survivors of domestic abuse. Imagine having experienced years of domestic abuse and coercive and controlling behaviour. Imagine having to face your abuser in court and their lawyer when you don't know the law and you don't understand how the courts work. I wish I could describe to you the sheer relief that I hear from women when they tell me how grateful they are having spoken to a qualified lawyer, because they're not able to get that advice from elsewhere.
Migrant women can experience perpetrators using their immigration status against them. Perpetrators can often threaten to have them removed, remove the children from their care, make them homeless, and that makes women feel trapped and they just feel as if they need to remain with the perpetrators indefinitely. And so it's so important that we actually give them advice and we say to them, look, there is a way out of this situation.
We offer them a confidential space. For some of the women, it's the first time that they've been believed, they've been heard. They really value the fact that they're talking to an expert. A lot of women don't come forward about sexual harassment. They end up just leaving their jobs or their careers because they don't feel like they have the ability to fight the case. And you'd be amazed what the difference can make in a 30-minute, 45-minute call. Their level of understanding and their confidence and their feeling of empowerment is just completely transformed.
The difference that legal advice makes to a woman's situation can be being able to escape an abusive situation, being able to move on with her life, being able to protect her and her children.
The advice that we provide saves lives. When we are helping women leave abusive relationships, those are men who potentially could have killed them. The support that they receive at that point of trying to leave is crucial.
Just hearing your voice on the phone helps me know what I want to do going forward. I have so much fight in me.
I'm 67 and you have given me the confidence to do this. It is the fear. Nobody expects to get divorced at 67. I'm really grateful to you. Thank you so much.
Just thank you. It is so useful to get some advice. Rape victims get no legal advice at all. It feels like you're blindfolded in court and don't know what's going to be thrown at you.
I've gone from feeling a bit hopeless to more empowered. Kind of know what I can do and I have a plan. Thank you so much for everything and taking the time to give me all of this information and making me feel empowered.
You've probably saved me from mental breakdown. You've been so kind. This call is life-saving.
The support from Impact 100 would mean that we can reach more women with our advice, that we can train more volunteers, and that we can also work with others to challenge laws and improve policies. There is such a high demand for the work that we are doing, and it's so vital. Your support will really, really make a difference in women's lives.